Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In the last video we saw how we can install new WordPress plugins. If you've not seen that video, you should see that one first, because in this video we'll need to install a plugin to achieve what we need. You'll find the link in description, or you can click the link at the top right corner of this video. In this video we'll see how we can reset a website. Now, why would we need to reset a website? Especially when we are beginners, we keep on adding everything we see to our websites, and some things that we have no idea about what they are, and we eventually get to a point when we mess everything up so badly that there is no turning back from there. So when you reach that point, the best thing to do is that you reset your website and start over. That's what we'll see in this video, that how we can reset our website. It will delete all the pages, plugins and everything your website currently has, and it will give you a fresh installed version of WordPress. So let's start by logging into our dashboard. We'll have to add a plugin to achieve this. As in the last video, I explained in detail why we need plugins. So click on the plugins tab, click add new, search for a plugin called WP Reset. This is the plugin by Web Factory Limited. It has 200,000 plus active installations and a 5-star rating too. So click on install. Click activate when the installation is finished. Now WP Reset has been installed. Every time we install a plugin, we have an additional tab in this dashboard menu. For this plugin, as WP Reset is more of a tool than giving you any functionality for your website, so you'll find it in the tools tab here, WP Reset, or you can simply click open WP Reset tools. Okay, these are some specifications of this plugin. You can thoroughly go through these instructions as well. I'll just collapse this tab to keep it simple. These are our options. You can check this box that reactivate our current theme, which is this one. I'll keep it unchecked. You can also check that if you want to reactivate WP Reset plugin, I'll uncheck it. And you can also get all your active plugins reactivated after the reset, but I'll keep it unchecked. Now, an important feature this plugin gives is that you don't have to worry about what if you accidentally hit the reset button. Even if you do, it will ask you for a confirmation, that type the word reset in the confirmation field. So unless you type the word reset here, the website will not get reset. So let's type reset and then click this button. It will ask for a confirmation again. Click reset. Resetting is in progress. Okay, now you have a fresh copy of your WordPress, just as you have installed it for the first time. Let's go to plugins. You have all the plugins deactivated. In your themes, you have the default 2019 theme activated, and both of the other themes are deactivated. This one was active before resetting the website. Go to pages. You'll see that all the pages that we created in some previous videos are now gone. You have only 2 pages left that are WordPress default pages. So now you can start over with the website and take it to any direction. That's all for this video, but keep in mind that there are many more plugins that can do the same thing by different developers. So you can also search for better plugins. I mostly use this plugin, WP Reset. That's why I created this video using this plugin. So that's all for this video. Do let me know if you have any questions. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and turn on the notifications so that you can get notified for new videos. See you in the next video.